Hi everyone, for today's video, we will derive the formula for the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation. So first, we will use the quadratic formula. So we have the quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have these are the solutions of a quadratic equation. So we have x sub 1, the positive of this, and then the x sub 2 is the negative part. Okay? So paghiwalayin natin, x sub 1 is negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and then x sub 2 is the negative. Okay? So x sub 2 is negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we want to find the sum of the roots. So all we have to do is add these two expressions. Okay? For the left side, x sub 1 plus x sub 2, and then for the right side, just add this part, and then this expression. Okay, so therefore, we have x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a plus negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Since we have similar denominator, so our fractions are similar, so therefore we simply add the numerator. So ilalagay lang natin sa isang denominator ito. Okay, so next step natin, okay. So next is combine lang natin yung like term. So dito natin ilagay. Ayan. So i-combine lang natin ang like term. So kung mapapansin nyo, square root of b squared minus 4ac. So the sign is positive, and then we have negative square root of b squared minus 4ac. So pwedeng ma-cancel out na lang itong term na ito kasi isang plus, parehas na term yan, isang minus. So parehas na term ito. Parehas na term, isang plus at isang minus. So therefore, 0 na lang yan. And then ito naman, negative b minus b. Ibig sabihin yan, may invisible yan na 1. Negative 1b minus 1b. So that will be negative 2b. Okay, so therefore x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to negative 2b over 2a. And then we can cancel out the 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So finally, the formula for the sum of the roots is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to negative b over a. So yan na yung formula natin para sa sum of the roots. So kapag pinapahanap sa atin ang sum of the roots, hindi na natin kailangang isolve gamit ang quadratic formula or kahit anong method, basta kukunin na lang natin yung negative b over a. So ganun lang kasimple. For example, so meron tayong 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. So if we want to find the sum of the roots of this quadratic equation, there's no need to solve. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin, alamin lang natin yung ABC. So A is 3, B is negative 4, and then C is positive 5. Pero kapag sum of the roots, ang kailangan lang natin ay B over A. So ang sum na ng roots natin, x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to, yung negative kasama po yan sa formula, and then ang B natin is negative 4. So negative of negative 4 over A, the value of A is 3. So therefore, ang sum na ng roots natin na 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to, so negative of negative, that is positive 4 over 3. So ganun lang po kasimple ang pagkuha ng sum of the roots. Hindi na natin kailangang isolve, titingnan lang natin ang coefficients ng x squared tsaka ng x. So dahil ang formula lang is negative b over a. Okay, so that's all. So I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation ko para sa pag-derive ng formula ng sum of the roots of quadratic equation. So thank you for watching. Kung meron kayong math question na i-comment nyo lang sa aking channel, pwede rin sa aking FB group or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger na RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.